This is a family cookbook project tutorial on making one or more of your contributors co-editors with you. With our system, it's really best that only one person serve as editor, as too many cooks spoil the soup, so to speak. You really need one person with full control, or you cannot keep up with might have been changed. That said, you have the ability to promote any contributor to the level of co-editor. To do so, go to your Communication Center from your Quick Start, or in the main menu, you can go to Communication here or here. Then simply just click their name on the list of contributors. You'll note by default you are already in the list. Of course, you can't edit yourself from here. You would just edit your info at the top. But you'll see this little A in parentheses. That means you're the admin or the editor. So let's take a look at Chuck. We're going to promote Chuck to co-editor. You'll notice that there's a little checkbox next to their username. It says make the user a co-editor. You simply check the box and update. Now this particular person has been upgraded to a co-editor, so they now have access to everything in the system that you do, with the exception of your multi-book dashboard. Since you own the system as editor, then they can't log into your other cookbooks, but they have access to layout and design, cookbook and account information, the Communication Center, of course. And if you go to the Communication Center, you'll note that Chuck is also now an admin or co-editor. So they can log in, and if you'd like to see what they see when they do log in, simply click the little login next to their name. Any editor can do this. And now Chuck is logged into the system. And you'll now note they have access to all the editor activities, with the exception, of course, of the multi-book dashboard, as I mentioned. They can go to the Communication Center, and they can also promote folks to co-editors if they need to. As I said earlier, too many cooks can spoil the soup. So by giving too many people access to the system as editor, things can get kind of messy, and you'll have to keep an eye on it. But you can also, as editor, come in if somebody is a co-editor and uncheck the box and update them. Same thing if you wanted to take Chuck back out of the loop after he's done all of his editing and looking over the system for you. You can demote them, so to speak, back to regular contributors. So that's how you work with co-editors in the Family Cookbook Project.